Hello to all my friends out there. Oh no, I didn't light my candle. I have these awful matches. I hope everyone is doing okay. Okay, this video is how to make your money go further by controlling your spending on the weekends. So Friday, Saturday, and Sunday, you're going to control your money. In fact, it would be better if you didn't cash your paycheck. So we're going to get into that. Okay. When I first started doing hair, I was young. And this woman, Eva Ashley, took me under her wing, and I will forever be grateful for her. She was a down to earth person. And the way she used to run her beauty business was so smart. I really didn't deviate from that my entire life. And she said, don't cash your paycheck until Monday. And it made sense to me, and so I always did that. And so sometimes I will watch videos on YouTube, how to manage your money, and I'm thinking to myself, I don't think that's really the best approach. Okay, what they say is cash your paycheck, fill your car up with gas, buy groceries, pay the bills and utilities, and then have some entertainment money, like go out to eat and drink. And if you don't have much money by Monday, you will be broke. So I would scrap that. But let's say that you're really broke, and by payday, you do have to buy a little food. And my son and I were talking about this, and he said, well, by Friday night, they're really hungry. And that is really true. I had a comment. This is great comment. And the guy said what they used to do is they would eat very cheap meals during the week, and then on the weekends, they would eat good meals. And I think that is a really good idea if you can stand the cheap. I mean, they don't have to be miserably cheap, but some people would really be suffering eating those pasta meals. So, if that would make you suffer too much, I would skip those. So let's say you do have to, you're really hungry. What you would do is you would buy enough food just to get by until Monday, and that's it. So I told you guys about my friend. As soon as she would get her pay, and it was meager too, she would go out to eat at the Pancake House, which was really only $9. And really, it wasn't smart. And I think she would pay for a couple friends too. First of all, I wouldn't let her buy me a meal if I was starving, because that's how poor she worked. So those aren't much of friends. So today, I went to Walmart and I thought, well, I'm eating my freezer down, but enough of this. I need some chicken, right? So the meal at IHOP or the Pancake House, or even if you get a large hamburger and fries and a large drink or coffee, is $9 or $10. So when I went to Walmart today, I bought $10 worth of food, and I will show you what I got. Okay, I bought this bag of chicken for $5 at Walmart, and if you've never tried it, my chicken is, I'm gonna make this chicken in a little while. So here's now I cannot say these giant legs are non-GMO chicken, but if you're really broke, hey. So there was 7 for $5, and 2 is going to be about $1.40. So the chicken was cheap. And then if you don't have much money, if you buy these big containers of yogurt at Walmart, this is $1.74. So that's going to give you a dairy and a fruit. And hopefully you have some instant potatoes or rice at the house. When I make this tonight, I am going to take bouillon cubes, 2 cups, and cook 3/4 cup rice in there with my chicken, and then I still have peas. So I bought that, and then I bought one spice cake mix because no suffering, and that was $1.16. And I bought this package of cream cheese. And so what I want to do is I want to make my cupcakes like muffin tops, you know, kind of short ones, and put cream cheese, a big dollop in the middle of my cake mix, and I have raisins in the freezer because I stockpile raisins. If you are new to stockpiling, the best approach is when you buy these big quantities of food, chances are I'm not going to eat all this tonight, so I'm going to have food tomorrow. Now, if I go out for a $9 meal of 2 chicken legs, a little pile of potatoes, and, you know, some coleslaw, there's not going to be any left. And then I'll sprinkle a lot of cinnamon and sugar on the top. And then I bought one of these pecan pies for 50 cents. And I bought this bag of candy, and I was crocheting and I was eating candy. And I was a tightwad, and I was drinking this 25-cent Coke. So when you do this habitually, you're not going to be running out of money anymore. So, now about filling your car up with gas. Friday night, Saturday, and Sunday, don't go anywhere, and you're going to slash your gas by, what is it? I did the math. 1.3, 1/3, just say 1/3, just by not going anywhere. So that's kind of hardcore, but then you're going to be able to buy Saturday and Sunday maybe some hamburger and maybe a couple pounds of bacon. And then that's probably going to take you through your cheat meals. One of the things you can do is you can make refried bean. You can make beans with beans and onions and bacon ends, and then you can make some bean burritos. Those are really cheap. And I used to make those, and I put hamburger taco meat on the top, and then I kept those in the freezer for like cooked meals. So by doing this, you're also going to be slashing your grocery bill during the week. And another thing is, like if you buy these snacks, you know, that, you know, like at Walmart and those places, like 50 cents is a very cheap snack, or $1 for however many ounces. 10 ounces of candy is a lot more candy than a candy bar. And then you're going to teach your kids how to do this, and that's all they know. All they know is what you show them to do. And then when they get bigger, they say to you, what do they do with all their money? And so then you're nice and gracious, and you say, well, they just don't have that much. So, but a lot of people don't have that much money, and they can still get by. Okay, you guys, please like, comment, and subscribe, and God bless you all.